Tired of washing small loads of clothes by hand? Say hello to this mini portable washing machine. A game changer for apartments, dorms, and travel. This compact yet powerful washer is perfect for underwear, baby clothes, socks, and more. Just add water, detergent, and let it do the magic. With deep cleaning technology, it removes dirt effectively while being gentle on fabrics. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just plug, fill, and wash. Whether you're a student, traveler, or just need a quick wash solution, this mini washer has got you covered. Want to grab yours? Click the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cool product finds.